Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So we have the Snapdragon 855 going up against the Exynos 9820, 6GB of RAM versus 8. Now the Xiaomi Mi 9 is probably the cheapest phone you can get now with the Snapdragon 855 CPU. So how will it fare against Samsung's latest offering, which is also one of the most expensive phones right now? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Xiaomi Mi 9. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Exynos 9820 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mi 9 wins by 6 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Galaxy S10 Plus wins by 2 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mi 9 won by a massive 6 points. In round 2, the Galaxy S10 Plus won, and that was by 2 points. And I'm guessing the 2GB of RAM helped there. As for the price difference, the Mi 9 costs less than half the price of the Galaxy S10 Plus. And if you don't want to spend a lot of money, the Mi 9 is an excellent phone. You get in flagship specs for a very low price compared to the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, having said that, the Galaxy S10 Plus does have a lot to offer. It has a bigger battery, Quad HD AMOLED display, IP68 water rating, wireless power share, USB 3.1, expandable storage, and the headphone jack. So in a way, you are getting your money's worth. So what are your thoughts about this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.